Makar Paseniuk, when we look at Ukraine as an investment opportunity, how do you rate the market opportunities and the sentiment, the macroeconomic sentiment of potential investors?
If you compare Ukraine to other emerging markets, Ukraine enjoys still relatively high real interest rates, which obviously attract investors in the current low interest environment. The inflation has been battled and is now under 10%. In terms of FDIs, Ukraine still provides a great opportunity, and I think those opportunities would be seen by more and more foreign investors as Ukraine continues to cut red tape, deregulate the economy, and continue on the reform path.
Will land reform be a trigger for new investment opportunities for you?
Well, the land reform is a game changer for Ukraine, for Ukraine's economy as a whole, if it happens. Just the state alone is sitting on roughly 10 million hectares of agricultural land. On average, the farmers are paying around $150 per hectare in annual rent payments. So if you assume a conservative cap rate of 10%, the value of the land in state ownership is roughly $15 billion. I will remind you that the current Ukraine's GDP is a little bit shy of $140 billion. An inflow of $15 billion, if that land was to be sold over the next 3 years, which is a realistic assumption in my opinion, it will change the macroeconomic picture dramatically inside of the country.
So we could see agriculture becoming a major investment theme.
Agriculture has surpassed all other industries in terms of export contributions. Believe it or not, has surpassed the metals and mining sector, which Ukraine has been famous for, since its independence. I believe that it will continue to be a transformational driver for the economy.